welcome to Karbi channel, Bijoy Timung.
Thank you so
So
much.
I want to ask you initially that why did you participate in Mr. Karbi Anglong, and how is your feeling after winning Mr. Karbi Anglong?
First of all, thank you so much for inviting me here. And first of all, my sister, she really wanted me to participate in Mr. Karbi Anglong, and I really had great interest in participating in it. And I wanted to participate in such competition long time ago, but I did not have that opportunity. Since I got the opportunity this time, I participated in it, and it was a really great experience. And I actually participated in this show. My first priority was I really love speaking in public. So because of this lockdown, it was long time I did not talk to people, like speak publicly. So that was my first reason why I participated in it. And then second reason was I went to the competition first of all to support my sister, and I suppose I went there. And also my sister, she had already registered my name in Mr. Karbi Anglong, which I did not have like complete idea about. And then I went there and I found out that my name is registered, and then I participated in it, and then fortunately I got selected. And then
So you mean to say that you have no intention to participate in any competitions? Like you haven't even thought that you will be participating in such event, right? So your sister suggests me, or your sister, just urged you to participate in such competition, right? Or you really want to participate in it?
I actually wanted to participate in it, but I was I have all my classes as well, so I was really thinking about like, will I be able to manage my time? So then I really gave it another thought. Then let's see. Yes.
Your online classes is going on.
Yes,
right.
yes,
So
yes.
how did you manage your time in such circumstances?
I missed a few of my classes though, but and really during that we had grooming as well, right? And during our grooming time, I actually was having my exams as well. So I come for grooming, and then I go home and study a little bit at night, and then give my exams in the morning, and then come for grooming again in the afternoon.
And what about your parents? Do your parents support you in this field?
Yes, obviously my parents are really supportive, especially my mother, and my sister she's the first person to support.
I hope this is your first participation in such event, right?
Yes.
Okay. What did you experience? I mean, do you have any fear in participating in such competitions? As you have said that this is your first participation, right? Do you have any fear, or do you have any or do you have any shy to participate in this competition?
I actually didn't have any kind of feeling like that. I have never participated in any such competitions before, but since my schooling days, I really love to be participate. I really love participating in different speech competitions, like debating competitions, extempore speech and all. And I also was the school leader of our school, so I think I really did not have much of a fear or shy speaking in public or coming in front of people. So that was not great of that problem.
You talked about speaking publicly, right?
Yes, yes.
I just catch you that you have the passion of speaking publicly, right? So just tell me that what you will do in your future by taking this this passion, such as you prefer to speak publicly. So what will help you in the days to come, in your future, by having a confidence or having a passion in speaking publicly?
First of all, I am a person who carries lots of dreams, and one of my dream is to one day, I want to study far away, like abroad, or maybe wherever I get the opportunity to. But then my ultimate goal is to study and get experience from different places, and then one day come back here in my land and do something for the people. So I think if I am able to speak in front of public, and if I am able to talk confidently and speak in such a way that I can inspire, or I can make people believe in me, then so I think that one day when I come back to my land and tell them about my experiences and the knowledge that I have gained from different places, then they will be able to understand it correctly and perfectly, and I can.
Isn't that you want to be a politician one day, or you have something to do in your future?
I don't want to be a politician because first of all, I don't really know much about politics, but what I want to do is I want to come back and I want to tell my people, inspire and do some social work besides. But that is not what I actually want to do, but also I want to do follow my goal. I want to reach the goal what I really want. But then besides that, I also want to help my people.
Okay, since you're talking about your goal, right? So just tell me about your goal. That what exactly you want to become in your future?
That is the thing. I really do not have the idea of what I want. Actually, my passion is. That's why, I love doing many things. I do experience with things. Whenever I hear music, and then I think that it really is music my passion. So I enter into music, and then I find out that this is actually not what my passion is. So I've been doing this since long time ago and still doing this, and I'm not able to find that passion still, but maybe in my far future I will be able to do that.
Let's talk about your education. Okay, since you are pursuing your educations in the outskirts of Karbi, not here in Karbi, right? So just tell me about your educations. What course or what stream or what you are pursuing?
So I tell you from the beginning.
Right.
I've started my kindergarten and till class 2 from All Saints English High School, Bukalia, and then I went to Holy Cross School, and then I completed my HSLC from Holy Cross School Lisobai, and then I went to Nagaon to study my first year and second year in science, and then I completed my HS recently in 2020, and then I went to appear JEE at mains and advanced, and then finally I'm studying in IIT Kharagpur in physics, dual degree.
God bless you, Bijoy. Okay, now let's talk about let's back to this competition since you participated, right? What are the questions that the judges have asked you in that particular grand finale, and did you find any difficulty to respond to the questions that the judges have asked you?
Okay, so first of all, the question that was asked to me was according to a certain report. I don't know what actually the report, I really forgot.
Okay.
But according to a certain report, there was a certain increase of domestic violence during this lockdown, and she asked me that why is that so, and then as a youth, why would you what can you do in order to for such situations. The question was really on topic, what we say, the headline, because domestic violence is really a huge problem, especially in India, in our country. So
what did you respond then?
Okay, what I actually said was, I cannot say the exact thing, but I explained briefly that you see, domestic violence is something which is done by people who are morally not good enough, and such people such people with low moral mentalities, when they get more mental pressure, and as it was locked down, and we ourselves, we had huge, we did not have connections with many people, and which increases our mental pressure. So, and when those low moral people, when they have more pressure, they think of their their family as instruments to show their anger or take out everything. So those people are the reason for the increase in domestic violence during this lockdown. And as a youth, I spoke that as a youth, I would like to do something for the female community, because domestic violence is a violence against your family or the domestic people, but especially it's more happening towards the female communities. In 90% of it is for the against the female community. So I said there, and I still will say it, that as a youth I would like to, you know, enlighten, like, you know, make our strong women more powerful, so that, you know, we have equal status, which our feminists are doing right now.
Okay.
Put our
Right. Do you have a girlfriend?
no, not yet.
Alright.
Not yet.
Coming here and on Cut News channel, how is you feeling?
Coming here, actually, I wanted to come here from a long time. You know, I was like, this is a huge platform in Karbi, Anglong, you know, and this is the greatest platform anyone can, you know, come to. So I'm really honored to be here, because it was my dream, like one of my dreams, to come here and, you know, talk to you and have a good conversation with you. So I know that dream's coming true today, so I'm really happy.
Okay, since as per my knowledge, as I have given to understand by the organizer of Mr. Assam, that they are organizing for this session very soon. So automatically you are selected in that particular event, right? So are you participating there, or you will be just staying at home and attending the online class?
I don't know. I will be participating if I do not have any exams, you know, but yeah, I will try my best to participate in it, and I hope that everything goes well and I participate in it. And if I participate in it, then I ask everyone, the people of Karbi Anglong, to please support me.
Okay, you were mentioning about your sister, and she won Miss Karbi Anglong 2020, right? What you want to say about your sister?
My sister, she's there's nothing to say much about her, because, you know, she's the best person. All I can say is she's the best person that I can ever imagine. So right from the beginning, I really believed in her, because she can do it. And then my sister, I would like to say that my sister is someone who understands me a lot. Like, I'm a person who do not speak much, and who do not tell my feelings to, like, who cannot express much of my emotion, but she's the person who can understand it all. So I think she can be the person. If she is a great leader, she can be, like, you know, a person who can understand the feelings of the people, and like, she do great social work.